Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the source and display scale because many sizing issues come from mismatched zoom or extensions. First, make sure the browser zoom is 100% and your OS display scale is standard. This prevents automatic enlargement. Next, check whether the video uses HTML5 player, most do, and disable any layout-altering extensions temporarily. Once done, refresh the page. This clears cached layout states and gives you a clean baseline before changing player controls. Now you work the player controls to restore normal size. Select a fixed resolution like 720p or 1080p from the settings so the player uses explicit dimensions instead of auto-scaling. Then toggle theater mode off and test full screen to confirm aspect ratio. 16:9 is preserved. If the player still looks wrong, open Developer Tools and inspect CSS rules. Sometimes site or extension CSS forces width or max height. Make sure you remove or override those. To finish, clear the browser cache and restart. Cached styling can lock in incorrect sizes. Make sure your GPU drivers are up to date because rendering bugs sometimes distort player dimensions. If things still go wrong, reset site permissions or reinstall the browser. That eliminates persistent configuration errors. One key troubleshooting tip: test the video in a different browser or in safe mode if it displays normally there. The issue is local to extensions or corrupt settings on your primary browser.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.